3.
Hi!
Hi, Erin.
So this is a week later, and we've already finished our first batch of HelloTomato goods, and we just ordered a second batch. So far, the quality has been pretty good generally. What do you think?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Yeah, we really like all the instant food. Like, they're super Asian and like hard to get at normal like grocery stores, right? And yeah, the whole process is just super convenient. So this time, I asked Matt to order most of the food, which is right here, and I'm gonna guess what they are. So I know like a few items that I told him that's essential that we need, but otherwise he chose most of it. So I'm probably gonna be super bad at it because I'm not like a grocery person, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna put on my sleepy mask.
You ready?
No.
Alright.
Okay.
So, the blanket is off. Let's start. Easy. Number 1. What is it? She's lost.
Cauliflower?
Oh!
Oh my god, this isn't as hard as I thought it would be.
First try.
Enoki mushrooms.
Wow.
Oh.
It's only because you eat 4 of those in the past week. Oh.
Garlic.
Garlic.
It's not too
Alright,
hard.
here's the first hard one.
Can you open it?
No.
You can't?
Try it first. Make a guess without opening it.
Is this some sort of snack?
Yes.
But like, how would I know what, like, it could
Any
be
guesses before I open it?
Chips?
No.
It's something that sounds really crunchy and thin. Sounds like chips.
No. That's the packaging. I really like this. That should give you a hint.
Something related to coconut?
Nope.
Coconut chips.
Nope.
Is this
Alright.
like, can we eat it right now?
First smell it.
Corn chips?
No.
Millet?
No.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, take one.
Oh, goldfish?
Yeah!
I didn't know they had that. I thought they only have Asian snacks.
It is flavor blasted extreme cheddar.
That's what you always get from the US, right? Because we don't have it in Canada, right?
Right.
Do we have it in Canada?
I'm sure we do.
Oh, okay. See, I don't go grocery shopping.
Good luck
so
with
I
this
don't know.
one.
Shiitake mushroom?
No. Feel how big the package is.
Is it a mushroom?
No.
Is it a snack?
It's a carb.
Oh, is it mantou?
Yes.
For the condensed
Well-
milk?
Brown sugar.
Oh, okay.
You want to explain what that is?
Basically just dough. And then you dip it with like something savory or something sweet.
And this one
It's
is
a good snack or breakfast.
this one's brown sugar. Okay, here, next one. You should know this.
Pickled veggie?
No, it's got a weird texture.
Yeah. So like slimy. It feels like plum or something.
No,
Do I like it?
a lot.
Is it sweet or savory?
You use it in a hot pot.
Huh? Oh, fish balls.
Yeah. Alright.
I love fish balls.
So far, you're stumped by mostly just goldfish. Easy.
Celery?
Celery.
Ew, I don't like celery. That's why I didn't get it last week.
Celery and peanut butter. Good snack. How about this?
Oh.
Apples? How big are the apples you eat?
Wait, why is it like that? Grapefruit?
No.
Grapefruit has that thing at the top.
No.
I don't know. Do I know this kind of fruit?
Who said it was a fruit?
What?
Who said it was a fruit?
Onions?
Yeah!
Oh, wow. I don't know. I just thought of grapefruit. My first thought. Are onions not fruits? Chips.
What kind?
They're popcorn ones.
Yeah.
The same one as last time?
Cow corn.
Is this sweet and salty? I mean sweet and savory?
It's kettle corn.
Wait, but what's the flavor?
And so that was the kettle corn one. Now here's another one. It's sweet chili flavor.
But it's the pop one, right?
Popcorn
one?
is, yeah,
Oh, okay.
popcorn is.
Okay.
One kettle corn, one sweet
Why don't
chili.
you get the cheese one? I like the cheese one. Millet?
No, it's chips. We need to open this one. I'll open it.
Do you want to eat it right now?
Try it, try it. First smell.
Smells good. Smells like a dish.
Take one.
Doesn't it smell like a dish?
It should, yeah.
Is it like hot pot flavor?
No. You like it?
I have no idea what that is. Is it Lay's? Is it like
Yeah.
garlic Lay's?
No.
What's the flavor?
Fried crab.
Oh. It did kind of taste like crawfish.
It's really good, actually. I'm surprised.
That's interesting to try.
This is a really neat flavor. It actually kind of tastes like fried crab, right?
A little. It tastes a lot of garlic. Banana? Carrots?
Carrots.
Again? We still have 2 more. How much do you love carrots?
A lot.
Milk! Milk to make bubble tea. I'm so excited for milk. I've never liked drinking milk my entire life. This is the only time. It feels like carrot.
No.
What's this top? Eggplant?
Something we got last time.
What? Oh, zucchini.
Zucchini. How about this?
Gnocchi.
Uh-huh. I want to see if your answer would change. Oh, this is a good one. Here.
Is it a type of mushroom?
Nope.
Feels very spongy.
Okay.
Oh, is it like a passion fruit? Huh?
No.
Some sort of fruit, right?
Yeah.
Hard shell. It's the stuff with the little thing, no?
What?
Dragon fruit?
Dragon fruit.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, good one.
I thought. Yeah, I just said the name wrong.
Alright. This one has no packaging, so you're gonna touch a raw vegetable.
Why does it have no packaging?
It just came in a plastic bag. What is it?
Bok choy.
Bok choy.
This isn't hard. I thought I would suck at it. But I know most of it.
Here.
Soy milk?
Sweetened or unsweetened?
Unsweetened. Did we finish the soy milk?
Here. Almost.
I don't know what this is. Is it the Miller chips?
Yeah, it's your millet chips. That one's cheating because you already knew what it was. Here.
Tofu. Oh man, it's because you got like mostly the same thing. Garlic again?
Garlic again.
You mostly got the same, well not mostly got the same thing, but like the veggies I'm pretty familiar with. What? Is this the shiitake mushroom?
Why is that your default guess for everything you don't know?
It sounds very like dry.
It's dry. You put it in hot pot again.
Kelp?
No.
I have no idea what this is. Hot pot? Not kelp? Bean curd?
No. Alright, look at it. You can cheat on this one.
No, just give me a hint. Do I like it?
Yeah.
Oh, is it like mung bean noodles?
Yeah, the cream noodles.
Ah, those are so good.
There is a giant bag of greens here.
I don't know, cabbage?
No.
I don't know the different kinds of greens.
This one I think is
lettuce.
No.
Oh, gailan.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 seconds.
Banana. Are you almost done?
No.
That's a lot.
I'm a value shopper.
Oh my
I know
god.
how to stretch
I'm tired.
the order. Here.
Green onions?
Green onions.
You said you didn't know.
Haha.
You got them.
Haha. I don't want to give it away. Here you go. This one's for you.
Oh, is that the toilet paper?
That's the toilet paper.
Sesame oil.
Sesame oil. This one you're not gonna be able to get unless you know the packaging. Let's see how well you know the packaging.
Is it those crackers?
What kind?
Bear crackers?
What? It is Koala's March.
Yeah, that one.
Matcha.
Yeah, oh my god. Dude, I'm an expert at Asian snacks.
Chocolate cream. This one. I thought I got matcha.
Oh.
Okay. I don't even know. Oh, I do know what this is.
Fungus?
Nope.
Beaker?
Nope.
What does it go in?
You mentioned that I should think about adding this to my cart. That's my hint.
Oh, spicy gluten.
Yeah.
It's the snack that's really good. Just feel like just really spicy.
I'm stacking it so high, I think it's blocking out your face.
Okay, then don't do that.
Reduce the stack. Oh, stack reduced itself. Okay. Let's see if you get these two.
Oh, hot pot dipping sauce.
No.
Really?
You were so confident. No, this don't start with your ASMR
Spam?
stuff. No.
Tuna.
Yeah. Wow.
Are you surprised?
Wow.
I'm so good at groceries. I'm a groceries expert. Coconut water?
No.
I don't know what that is. Give me a hint.
Similar to what you would put on. No, I don't want to say it like that. No. If I tell you what we use it for, that's also a giveaway. We bought something that's similar called Longevity brand.
Oh,
But it's not-
evaporated milk.
Right.
Why would you get that?
Because for
bubble tea?
Yeah, for milk tea.
We already know how to make the perfect milk tea. We don't.
Okay,
we,
next.
That's what the milk is for. Oh, that's the milk carton. Carton?
Alright, last one.
Container.
I purchased this for myself, and if you get this, you win $100.
Really?
Yeah, you're not gonna guess this though. I bought two.
Can you open it?
Yeah, I'll allow that. And you can ask one clarifying question. We're gonna do this case style. I will even remove the packaging.
I don't even know what this is. I don't think I'll
You
know
get
the.
one clarifying question.
I don't think I'll know the use.
Yeah, you will.
What do you use it for?
That's your clarifying question?
Yeah.
Ring Fit Adventure.
What? Is it your knee stuff?
It is!
Oh!
Wow! I'm out $100.
Yay! Are
Alright.
we done?
That's it. How'd you do?
That's it for unboxing. That was really good. I did really well. Because I usually don't go grocery shopping, so I thought I wouldn't do very well. But I actually cook a lot for myself, so that's probably why I'm familiar with the touch.
Now you start with the explanations. There actually is an explanation if I had to think about it why I'm so good.
Why? Why do you think I'm so good?
Because we bought most of the same stuff last time.
No, that's not true. I would say 80%
Hey,
of
what was
stuff
I
is
impressed by?
different.
Did not expect you to get this.
Yeah.
Definitely. I did not expect you to get the goldfish.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't
Well, but
expect
if you get me to try it, how am I not gonna know?
I don't know. I thought you'd think it's some cheesy snack. Mantou.
Oh, mantou, and then also the koala bear one.
Yeah,
that was
the
good.
koala was I think koala and the knee were the two best ones.
Yep.
So, I bought this because it was green and I thought it was matcha. But,
Really?
yeah, because the site's all in Chinese, I couldn't read it, so.
No, there's an English title, but maybe that, like, the word, the flavor wasn't there.
I don't know.
So, it was actually pretty funny for him to use the app because most of the, like, categorization stuff is in Chinese, but they actually have, like, the product labels in English as well. So, it's pretty friendly.
And really good price on this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, that's it for unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah?
Okay, bye!